We have earning class 8 who got the curtain right, and form 4. The 3 of you go back and work hard. You cannot be a leader when you don't know your people. You must know of them, you must know their right number. Are you getting me? You must know what your friends, your classmates, how many are they, you must know of them. That means after school, after exam, if you change another school, you will forget your neighbor. Will you forget them? So you must know them. I've come here to say hi to you and wish all candidates succeed on behalf of the Governor Simba Arati. When you go home, please say hi to your parents and tell them Governor Simba Arati has said hi. How many of you are going to do that? Thank you. Now that your MCA is here, I have seen a request letter to him. I thought it was for me, Kumbe it was for you. Honorable John Sambo.